SB Vertebrae KNICKS release provides sneaker fans, especially those who may miss the Kobe 6 Protro Jalen Brunson drop, with a strong alternative that still honors New York basketball culture. Instead of leaning on mainstream hype, the SB Vertebrae embraces authenticity, maintaining its status as a skate shop essential while subtly paying tribute to the Knicks. Its design highlights include a dusky blue base complemented by striking orange accents on the swoosh, tongue, and insole, channeling the team's energy while ensuring functionality for skaters. Unique construction features like a human anatomy-inspired cage and a tough rubber cupsole enhance both performance and durability. Retailing at $85, this sneaker balances affordability with style, appealing to both collectors and skaters alike. Set to launch between October and December 2025 through Nike.com and select skate shops,